To clean or replace the air filter on your Outlaw 110, follow these steps. Set the parking brake. Turn the seat latch and pull upward to disengage the seat from its locks. Then remove the seat. Clean the area around the airbox. Release the airbox cover spring clips and remove the cover. Inspect the seal on the airbox cover. Replace if necessary. Remove the foam filter and wash it with warm soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and let it air dry. If damaged, replace the foam filter. Remove and inspect the support screen. Clean any dirt or debris. Clean the airbox thoroughly. Wipe well with a clean, dry cloth. Caution: dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Apply a commercially available foam filter oil to the foam filter. Install the support screen and foam filter into the airbox, making sure that it is fully seated. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent air leaks. Notice, use of a non-Polaris approved air filter may cause engine damage. Always use Polaris approved replacement filters. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Reinstall the cover and secure the airbox spring clips. Ensure the cover is fully seated. Install the seat by lining up the locators in the front and pushing down in the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.